This is our Unit 5 project by Julia and Ashlyn. Allie is starring in a movie. She gets paid $12,000 just to be in it. She gets paid $2,000 every day after. How much money will she earn on day 10? First, let's write our now and next equation. Now, next equals now plus 2,000. Our start value is 12,000. Next, we'll write our explicit equation. Y equals 12,000 plus 2,000 x. We drew our table for everything and our graph, and we graphed our table. So the answer to how much will she earn on day 10 is $32,000. Every year, the red panda population decreases due to poaching and predators. The population loses 3,000 pandas each year. If the population began with 110,000 pandas in 1990, how many pandas will it have in 2001? To figure this out, you must write a now and next equation. My equation is next equals now minus 3,000. The start would be 110,000. Or you can write an explicit rule. Mine would be y equals 110,000 minus 3,000 x. After I find all my data, I'd put it into a table or a graph. The answer to how many pandas will you have in 2001 would be 77,000. Every year, the red panda loses 4% of its population due to poaching and predators. In 1995, there were 102,000 red pandas. How many pandas were there in 2003? To figure this out, you must write an explicit rule. Mine is y equals 102,000 times 0.96 raised to the x. Or you can use a now equals next equation. Mine is next equals now times 0.96, and my start value is 102,000. After we find all of our data, we must put it into a table and then graph it. Larry is raising money for basketball. His mom will give him $1 before it begins, $3 on the first day, $9 on the second day, $27 on the third day, and so on. How much money will Larry have on day 10? You should write an exponential equation, and mine is 1 times 3 to the x. You should also write a now equals next equation. Mine is next equals now times 3. Once you have all that data, you should make a table and then graph it. The answer to how much money will Larry have on day 10 is $5,949.